Hey, we are in San Sebastián.
We've come to San Sebastián with a group of chefs. We're going to walk around.
Same feeling, different setting.
Have a little explore.
We're just on our way to Getaria.
Eat some incredible food and drink in some amazing bars.
The best focaccia in San Sebastián.
This is Elkano.
Casa Julián is cooking steak over fire.
This is el clásico moderno.
I'm actually Paulo. I'm the co-founder and chef of the Devonshire in Soho.
Hi, I'm Sarah Frankland. I'm the executive chef at Penny Hill Park.
Hi, my name is Ben Harrison. I'm the chef and owner of Counterculture in Newquay.
So we're going to start off with something simple.
We're at Daniel's Focacceria for the best focaccia in San Sebastián.
And this is where the locals like to eat.
So this is Daniel and Emma.
Hola, buenos días.
And you've got as well the white wine, which is an Albarino, fresh Atlantic wine of Galicia.
Something more light, or we go carbonara. Carbonara, yeah.
You know, you are in the Basque Country, and we famous to be exaggerated.
It's a semi-dry cherry tomato. There is buffalo mozzarella. And then the zucchini, roasted zucchini.
And no honey or anything, nothing sweet.
Just zucchini. The bread stays the same all day. Bread is never gonna get dry. It always stays the same. We put a very good quality olive oil inside the bread.
So what's the secret behind the tiramisu?
And the classic one as well, but I wanted to make today the
You must.
one. Yeah.
I'm not going to
tell you what.
Ben out, but you can tell he served himself, can't you? Look at that.
I gave you that one. I gave you that one.
Hello, my name is Daniel, and this is Daniel's Focacceria. Thank you for coming and visiting us. I hope you enjoy the food. Thank you.
Soy Nieves Barragán. I'm the chef Patron for Sabor and Legado in London. Hey, we are in San Sebastián, one of the most famous streets where all the bars, they're doing a lot of pintxos and a lot of tapas. We are in Gambara. She's a friend of mine. It's one of my favorite places. They're just doing, for example, like a prawn pintxo. And tonight what we're going to be doing is all about pintxos. We're going to be eating in one place, having one drink, having a few pintxos, few tapas, move to the next ones.
Hi, I'm Ben Drake, head chef at the Elephant Restaurant. We've just had some amazing crispy pig's ears, which I've never eaten before, but thoroughly enjoyed. It's a very cool vibe, as everywhere seems to be in San Sebastián so far. So excited for the rest of the evening.
Hi, I'm Spencer Metzger, executive chef of Row 15. I think Nieves is the better pourer than me, I'll be honest. I've been training a long time as a chef and never wanted to become a sommelier, and Nieves has just taken the role very well.
Hi, I'm James Prout, sous chef at the Angel at Hetton. Brandaris had really nice burgers, really fresh, really good ingredients, really tasty. Would recommend it.
They're doing the Basque cheesecake. And this is such a beautiful street, full of life. People just want to come here, eat a little bit pintxos, have fun with your friends, and a few drinks.
We're just on our way to Getaria, which is a small fishing port, to enjoy lunch.
This is Elkano in Getaria, where all of the fish and shellfish is cooked over fire, over charcoal, gently grilled outside. It is quite warm though.
This is Elkano, and we're currently sat enjoying an amazing lunch.
Salico is the name of the vineyard where the grapes come from. So far, it's only one single vineyard, which is came from San Sebastián. So we went to Sabor.
Thank you very much.
That smells amazing.
It's incredibly simple, but that's what makes it so difficult.
Very famous in the Basque Country to do chipirones, tinta, the squid stuff, and they all eat it. Like this case, he makes the sauce, and then the squid is just a little bit green, like the fatty part. He's given us the fatty part of the squid.
I have never experienced that kind of seasonality within seafood. Ever. Such a special experience for me. I think honestly, top 10 meals of my life. The story for the guests and the interest and the knowledge that it gives creates such a special experience.
Followed up tonight with an amazing dinner.
So we're having dinner at Getaria.
Started with just beautiful tomatoes with tuna, a little foie gras, and a braised pig's cheek or monkfish for main.
I am Robert Taylor and I am head chef owner of Tallow in Tunbridge Wells. It still feels connected to what we had today, just same feeling, different setting.
We just had the most amazing bashed cheesecake.
Really cheesy, and I think everyone around the table enjoyed it, even Chef Nieves.
Personal opinion, I don't think it needs the cheesecake ice cream, but it was very light, you know, very creamy, a good texture, very nice.
The best one we've had so far here in San Sebastián.
Just finished off Sarah's piece as well because it was so delicious. It was an amazing end to the meal.
So we're here at Casa Julián. Here they focus on one thing only, and that's cooking steak over fire.
How many people photograph you a day?
Many.
How many steaks do you reckon you grill a day?
78.
How many cooks in total you have?
Now here?
Yeah. 4. And now you see that, you take it off, you put salt on top.
That's it.
I've learned, chef.
First lady goes.
He said he puts the salt now on to seal it, and it steams the meat inside. And then he grills the other side and then puts the salt on it. I could watch this all day long, I love it.
That level of focus takes ultimate discipline, and the product is incredible.
The flavours and the simplicity, I think, is what stood out. You don't need to do too much to something to make it wonderful. Like the beef was like butter, it just melted. So for the flavour, yeah, absolutely amazing.
And you get a real feel for the sort of history and the integrity of a cuisine.
We are very excited to have you here. As Chef Paulo already mentioned, we're getting started now. We are having a presentation of the ingredients we're going to use for tonight's menu. Of course, the menu from us is mainly based on fish and seafood products.
We're serving our well-drowned tortellini.
So we have our tuna tartare. On top we have our selection of the crystal capita. We will taste some crystal side as well.
Take this little fish for us.
Thank you.
Seared scallop, some stewed foie gras, and a little bit of langoustine cooked on the charcoal grill. We finish with a champagne sauce and an egg sauce focused on the base of the legs.
At the end of the day, this is classico moderno. We keep doing and we try to elevate this Italian cuisine with the Japanese accent. Basically, what I want to do is exactly to bring back what makes successful many chefs. Long days, long hours, make great food. That's the only way to do it.
On top you find different seaweeds.
It goes well. Goes well with the sake as well. Where we are, but yeah, absolutely stunning. I thought the texture was amazing, yeah. Really luxurious, really silky, so much flavour. Not necessarily the sort of thing we'd serve.
I'm worried that this is still the start of the meal.
And finally, the main course is that one. That is the Wagyu.
The main course of the menu, where the Wagyu, we render the fat a little bit before on top of the grill, and then we finish, of course, on the charcoal itself. We're finishing right away with the jus of the beef itself, sabayon made from mushrooms, and of course some vegetables of the season.
So people come to San Sebastián for ingredient-led simplicity, where definitely the lesson is less is definitely more.